Okay, I'm Lee Tidwell from Harwood, Maryland. This is my 1971 Herst Jeepster Commando. It was originally sold in Hagerstown, Maryland, and a gentleman in West Virginia took it back home, used it for a long, long time. Then it was sold to someone in Asheville. I bought it from the gentleman in Asheville, brought it back, and I did a 5-year restoration on it. And so now I just take it around to car shows and drive it and enjoy it. It's got a 225 V6.
Oh, check it out.
And
oh, wow.
this is all original.
Is so pretty, dude.
The Herst were a special edition package. They had planned for 500, but they probably built closer to 200, 250. Really don't know for sure.
Okay.
The differences between the stock Jeepster and a Herst were the stripes, the badging, the hood scoop, and there's a tachometer in the hood scoop. And then automatics had dual gate shifters in them. Manual transmission just had a Herst shifter.
Okay. Let's look at the interior.
Sure.
Man, this is so cool. I didn't know this was yours.
All stock. This is the way they came. And original interior, reproduction interior, and clock. I have a clock over on the console. That was an option back in the day. The Herst, part of the Herst was the dual gate shifter. So one side is drive, reverse, neutral, and then there's a gate you open up and you can manually shift it.
Oh, that's cool. Oh wow, that's actually super cool. Yeah. And it does have this squat, like that is a thing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Slots, my favorite, the aluminum slots.
Yeah, they look good, they do.
I always like those, so I threw those on. It's got dual exhaust, comes out the side, front of the back tires.
Okay.
And so the Herst badging, there's a Herst emblem on the back on the tailgate, and then there's a 2 on the hood.
Alright. What's this thing, what do you think is valued at? Like,
I don't know,
fairly
but
rare,
a couple of them
isn't it?
just sold on Bring a Trailer. One sold for $68,000.
Oh, goodness.
Which I think is incredible. But
yeah. And so tell me about this. What is the signature here?
This is signed by Linda Vaughn.
Who was Linda Vaughn?
Linda Vaughn was Miss Herst back in the 60s.
Oh, wow.
drag racer. She was a trophy girl. They take her out on the track, and she would congratulate the winner, and then she would ride in the Herst cars with a giant shifter.
Dude, that's super cool. Some of my epic people.
Yep.
Doing epic things.
That's right.
Word. Thanks, man.
That's pretty good. You just fire right up.
Oh, he's tapping.